Video schedule. Welcome to the online classes. Now we are discuss the topic of motion. In the previous lecture we have discussed various terminologies: displacement, distance, speed, velocities, instantaneous velocity, instantaneous speed, average velocity and average. In the previous lectures we have discussed what is the graph of uniform motion, and now we have to discuss velocity time graph. First, xt graph, displacement time graph, xt graph, xt graph. First we have to discuss displacement time graph. This is our displacement axis, x-axis, and this is our time axis. X is time and displacement. This is displacement. When a particle is moving like that, this is a uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion, and this angle is equal to this angle tan theta is equal to m. This is the slope. It means, important point, we noted that from xt graph the slope gives the value velocity, bracket में instantaneous velocities. First point we have to remember that in a displacement time graph the slope gives the value of velocities. It means this slope, this angle represent the velocity or instantaneous velocity. Is its instantaneous velocities in a uniform circular motion, in a uniform circular motion, uniform motion, throughout the slope will be constant. Over all the line which is shown in the diagram have the same slope. It means tan theta. Tan theta is equal to dxy dt, and this is also equal to delta xy delta t. It means delta x upon delta t is equal to x final minus x initial, t final minus t initial. It means if time interval is very shorter, then we can say that dx over t, and this is slope of m. Hence we have to remember this formula for the calculation purpose. So this is the xt graph. We have to remember that xt graph, the graph of xt, slope gives the value of the instantaneous velocities. We have to remember this.